Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q7 Vorsprung 50 TDI Quattro. And this particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork and does feature the Tiptronic automatic transmission. Moving on now and looking at the key features, this particular example is the Vorsprung specification, so it does come fully equipped. Other features do include the exterior black styling, such as the window surrounds, the front and rear bumper, and with it being the Vorsprung you do get the privacy glass, the pan roof and also the 360 cameras. Moving on now and looking at the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down from this we find the 22-inch 5 V-spoke matte grey alloys, part of the Audi Sport range, and they do complement the black paintwork. Above we find that sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which is letting that natural light into the cabin and is a part of the Vorsprung specification. Now moving into the rear seats of the Q7, where we do find up to 770 litres, with the 2 extra seats folded up, a combined capacity of 290 litres. Moving into the rear seats we find a full leather interior with the additional diamond quilted leather in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as there being Isofix points and also blinds for the rear occupants. Furthermore, there is heated seats available for those rear passengers, as well as a dual zone climate control. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and typical Audi cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, alcantara, gloss black and aluminium. With this being the Vorsprung specification, again we do get that sliding panoramic glass sunroof in which is stretched into the rear of the cabin, just letting that natural light, and with it being this particular model, you do get the full leather seats with the S logos. Moving towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display in which is featured the satellite navigation, as well as this you can access your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto. The screen just below this is the dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable and is touch sensitive, and either side of this you will find the ventilated and heated seats for both front occupants. Moving to the screen above once again we find the optional 360 camera and 360 surround view, which does allow for easy parking and does make it much easier to park in those tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.